Did you know that a tiny seed can be incredibly beneficial for your health? Flax seeds are small, but they are packed with nutrients. These seeds have been consumed for centuries. Today, they are recognized as a nutritional powerhouse. Flax seeds offer numerous health benefits. They can improve digestion. They can boost heart health. Some evidence even suggests they may help prevent cancer. Flax seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. With their versatility and nutritional value, flax seeds are a valuable addition to any healthy eating plan. Flax seeds are packed with essential nutrients that can significantly boost your overall health. They are an excellent source of fiber, which is vital for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This includes both soluble and insoluble fiber, each playing a unique role in your digestive health. Fiber is crucial for a healthy digestive system, helping to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Flax seeds are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your body. This is especially important for vegetarians and vegans who may not consume enough of these healthy fats from other sources, such as fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health and brain function, supporting cognitive abilities and reducing inflammation. Another important nutrient in flax seeds is lignans, which are plant compounds with numerous health benefits. Lignans are plant compounds with antioxidant properties, helping to fight off free radicals in the body. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage, which can help to slow down the aging process and keep you feeling youthful. This protection may lower your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Flax seeds also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that are essential for your health. These include vitamin B1, copper, and manganese, which are crucial for various bodily functions. These nutrients play important roles in energy production, metabolism, and immune function, helping you to stay active and healthy. The fiber in flax seeds promotes healthy digestion by adding bulk to your stool and aiding in regular bowel movements. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which can help slow down digestion and increase nutrient absorption. This gel helps soften stool and promotes regularity, making it easier to pass and reducing the risk of constipation. Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds are beneficial for heart health, as they help reduce inflammation and improve overall cardiovascular function. They can help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and improve cholesterol levels, which are all important factors in maintaining a healthy heart. The lignans in flax seeds may have cancer protective effects due to their antioxidant properties, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Studies have shown that people who consume more lignans may have a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer and colon cancer, making flax seeds a valuable addition to a cancer preventive diet. Flax seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The fiber in flax seeds slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. This can help prevent spikes in blood sugar, providing a more stable source of energy and reducing the risk of insulin resistance. For optimal benefits, consume ground flax seeds. Whole flax seeds can pass through your digestive system undigested, so grinding them ensures you get the full nutritional value. Grinding breaks down the tough outer shell of the seed, making it easier for your body to access the nutrients inside. This allows for better absorption of the nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber. Adding flax seeds to your diet is easy and versatile. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed on your cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. Mix it into smoothies, soups, or sauces. The mild, nutty flavor of flax seeds complements a variety of dishes. You can even add it to baked goods like muffins or bread. This not only boosts the nutritional content, but also adds a pleasant texture. Remember to drink plenty of water when consuming flax seeds. The fiber in flax seeds absorbs water, which helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Drinking enough water will help prevent bloating or constipation, ensuring you feel your best. Start incorporating these tiny but mighty seeds into your diet today. You'll be amazed by the health benefits they can provide, from improved digestion to a healthier heart.